Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to book a flight on Emirates. So follow these detailed steps to book a flight on the Emirates web app. The first thing you'd like to do is to launch your browser and visit the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to sign up or to log in. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic home screen, and on the home screen, go ahead and locate the book tab, which is in the top menu, and click on it. But if you don't want to go through this process, which might be quite a long process for you, you can just get to the middle of the screen and click on the search flights tab and come over here to get that done. So departure airport, you're going to have to fill in the required fields. So the from, which you have the departure airport, so enter your departure city or airport, then the arrival city or airport, then of course the return dates and the passengers. So choose the number of passengers and their age categories, and choose the travel class, so either economy, business, or the first class. And once you're done, go ahead and click on search flights. And once you click on the search flights button, it's going to take you to the next window where you see a list of available flights matching your search criteria. So this page is loading up, and soon you're going to see everything displayed here. You just wait out a couple of seconds. Now, once you see the list of available flights that match your search criteria, the next thing you'd like to do is to select the flights that suits your preference by clicking, all right, what you're going to find there. So now we have, this is lowest price. Okay, so I can just click on that and choose. So I like this. I'm just going to click on select. So this is inbound. Waiting for the next window. Okay, so this outbound and inbound, so I have to select from the inbound as well. So select. So I have these two selected, outbound, inbound, and continue to passengers. All right, so I have to select this passenger adult, just me. So for the passenger, enter the passenger name. Okay, the title, the first name, the last name, and frequent flyer benefits. You can just put that. And the next thing is continue to options. Okay. Save and next. Continue to options. So your benefits, to buy, connect, this, and continue to payments. So once you've explored all the benefits, the next thing is to continue to payment. So that's where you have to select your preferred payment method, of course, after carefully reviewing all details, including flight date, times, passenger information, and total fare. So once you have confirmed all of this, head over to payment options. So do you want to pay in full or cash plus miles? Now, can I use cash plus miles because I don't have sufficient miles to use cash plus miles? So next, let's pay with credit and debit card. Now enter your card number, your full name, your expiry date, and once you're done, select pay now. Now, once the payment is processed, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. You'll receive a booking confirmation email with your itinerary and e-ticket attached. You can also download the e-ticket from the confirmation page or your email for future reference. And that's it. You have successfully booked a flight on the Emirates web app. Safe travels. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to Get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped your search.